Hello everyone, in today's video we will do experimental proof of double displacement reaction. First of all, let's see the definition of double displacement reaction. It is a type of reaction in which there is an exchange of ions, cations and anions of two different salt solutions when we mix together. They form two products, and out of two products, one product is precipitate out. The word precipitation here means formation of undissolved salt. It will be settled down at the bottom of the jar. Second product will be dissolved in water. The double displacement reaction is also called as precipitation reaction because one of the product is precipitate out in the end of the reaction. In today's class, we will discuss the example of reaction between barium chloride and sodium sulfate salt solution. So barium chloride and sodium sulfate you have to take in the aqueous form. That means you have to dissolve both salt individually in water. When we mix together, two products will be formed. The solid particles of barium sulfate will be precipitate out, and sodium chloride will be exist as an aqueous form. It will dissolve in the water. Let's write the same reaction in terms of symbols. Here I have written the same reaction in terms of symbols. We know that in this reaction barium sulfate is precipitate out. So you can add this type of arrow. This type of arrow represents precipitation of the substance. Now this is complete balance reaction of double displacement reaction. Let's do one more example. Now in the second example I have written silver nitrate plus sodium chloride, AgNO3 and NaCl. What will be the product? The simple funda is exchange the ions of both salt solutions. Join NO3 with Na, join Cl with Ag. So the final products are Now, how you will explain this? Silver nitrate combined with sodium chloride solution. They will form silver chloride, which will be precipitate at the bottom of the jar. And sodium nitrate, this will be second product. The most important thing is double displacement reaction always come in exams. For more videos, please subscribe the channel. Please share with your friends and classmates. Thank you so much.